For the repair of the C&A gas detection system and sensors, the following procedures were necessary: replacement and calibration of gas detector heads, and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add some hydrogen sulfide to the detector heads, and we trigger the high and low alarms of each detector head. The same process is repeated for the second detector head. As well as the third detector head. It is now clear that the gas detection system is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.